Press the button to turn on. Rotate the dial to select a main menu mode, single-click to enter. Accept flashlight mode, double-click to exit, and long press to power off, sleep. The main menu has 4 modes: flashlight, play mode, settings, and lockout. In flashlight mode, single-click to turn on the light, memory. Rotate the dial to adjust the brightness from low to high. Double-click to enter turbo mode. Triple-click to activate strobe mode. Single-click to turn off the light. 4 or more clicks to exit flashlight mode. In flashlight mode, sleep state. Long press less than 2 seconds to enter moonlight mode. In other modes, sleep state. 4 or more clicks to enter flashlight mode. In shake to switch settings, rotate the dial to select Y or N to enable or disable shaking to switch between spotlight and floodlight. Y by default. If Y is enabled in flashlight mode, simply shake LOOPDOT to switch between the two, mode to mode, brightness to brightness. Alternatively, long press to switch between spotlight and floodlight, mode to mode, brightness to brightness. In lockout mode of the main menu, single-click to lock. After locking, press the button to display the lock icon, then rotate the dial continuously to unlock. In flashlight mode, sleep state, long press for over 2 seconds to lock. After locking, long press to unlock, and the low floodlight will turn on. In these 4 modes from play mode, single-click to enter, then shake LOOPDOT to play. In coin toss mode, Y for yes, N for no, I for coin upright. In lucky direction mode, random arrow direction shows when LOOPDOT stops. In eWooden Fish mode from play mode, single-click to enter, rotate the dial to earn merit, +1, each turn. Each page contains 52 squares, and the max record is 100 pages to next stage. Quick 8 clicks reset all data. In water bottle mode from play mode, single-click to enter, horizontal water motion effects respond to the device's angle. In catch the gems mode, start from level 1. Rotate the dial to move the gem catcher at the bottom to catch falling gems. The collected gems provide energy to clear the 2 bottom rows of obstacles. In stopwatch mode, click to start. Rotate the dial or triple-click to pause. Click again to record up to 4 groups of time and rotate the dial to view them. Double-click or 5 clicks to clear and exit. In timer mode, rotate the dial to adjust the time, up, down. Click to start or pause. When time is up and it vibrates, click to stop. Triple-click to quickly set the time. 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. In counter mode, rotate the dial to add or subtract 1. Vibrates every 10 counts. 3 flash alerts icons, accessed from light effects mode. Click to enter. Rotate the dial to adjust their brightness. In the 5 icons from light effects mode, single-click to enter. Rotate the dial to adjust the light effect speed. In seamless gradient icon, rotate the dial to change colors. In photo album icon, rotate the dial to browse icons. Click to select. Triple-click to start or exit scroll playback. In the 2 modes from settings mode, single-click to enter, then rotate the dial to adjust the parameters. In wheel direction settings, single-click to enter. Rotate the dial to adjust the operation direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, clockwise by default. In auto power off timer settings, single-click to enter. Rotate the dial to set your preferred auto off time, 60 seconds by default. At 100 seconds, 00 is displayed and 1 blue square appears at the bottom, max 4 squares. LOOPDOT supports Type-C charging. While charging, single-click to turn the light on, off. Double-click to cycle through different charging animation icons. Long press to turn on the screen and turn off all lights.